What'd you do?
I bumped my head into the glass here.
Oh my goodness, come here.
You see
You're
it?
like, holy moly, you're really bleeding. I told you to be careful.
Babe, are you having fun?
Yeah.
That's not how you take door panels off.
You got your part.
Hey guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I said that I would make some weekly videos, but with everything going on in the world, I decided to take a little break. So, but we're back at it. We have the Touareg all taken apart. We ordered some stuff for the timing belt and all, and now it's just a matter of shipping, and once it gets here, we've been waiting a few weeks. It's a bit annoying, but it's okay. We're also going to have another video coming about the CLS. We ordered something that's going to be coming this week, so I'm very excited about that. But for today's plan, I am taking my wife to a junkyard for the first time. So that's going to be exciting. She's never been before. She doesn't really even know what to expect. But we're going to go and try to pull some parts off for the Touareg to make it just a little bit better. All right, babe, are you excited to go? First time going to the junkyard. What are we going to do?
So this is the most important piece that we're looking for. What is this called?
It's just the center console.
The center, yeah. So it's missing a button here. So we need that, or whatever that is. And then this stuff is scratched. Does this move?
Yes, it does,
Oh,
but they
yeah.
spilled a bunch of coffee on it, so
yeah.
it's beaten up.
We're gonna go hunting. Is that what you do?
Yeah, we're just gonna
Hunting
go and
for parts.
yeah, look around.
And then other stuff? Is there anything else that you need?
Just a couple of minor little pieces here and there.
Oh,
So
the back thing. This thing, whatever.
So I never knew that. Can you open that? Yeah, that opens up.
Yeah.
Never knew that, but the handle for it is broken. So where's that piece? I have no idea where it is, but it's in there. Yes, we got a couple of parts in the back here, but still waiting on more. So
yes.
babe,
So let's go.
let's do it.
We made it. This is so cool, guys. I've never been to a junkyard before.
There it is. This thing looks better in shape than mine. It's kind of crazy.
You want that?
Yeah, I need this right here. Mine's broken.
Bingo.
Bada bing, bada boom.
See the inside. The part that we need.
This actually looks pretty nice.
This one is really clean. It's not scratched. Can I take some parts off for you?
Yeah, what would you like to do?
I can do that.
This?
Yeah.
I almost got it up.
I like this color.
Yeah, my first Touareg was actually the same color.
Nice.
I really like it. Ugh.
Let's see it. How much would this cost if you were to buy like a new one?
Probably $50.
And how much do you think you could get it from here?
A lot cheaper.
Okay guys, we're gonna go to town with this car and try to get all the parts that we need, and then we'll show you what we got.
Yeah. We'll come back to you. Babe, what are you doing? Are you having fun?
Yes. I got half of it off.
That's good. Alright, let me help
If you guys need to relieve any stress, just come to a junkyard. Very therapeutic stuff.
Gotta get the bottom first. Somebody's been drinking.
Not us.
Yeah, not us. Definitely not us.
I feel like it's stuck right here.
Okay.
You want to try it? So we're
You
trying to
took
get this thing. We got it off. Well, we ripped it off. Is it not good?
No, it's so not.
So we still have, what are these called?
Rotors.
Rotors. So we have to, all four?
Yes.
Okay, so we still have to take those off, and then this piece right here, which this thing is locked, so I don't know how we're gonna take it off.
Can you get it, babe?
I don't know, I feel like this one's stuck.
Keep it straight, though.
I know, I'm trying to. No. No, this one's like super rusty.
Okay.
You think you'll have to do it? Should I try this one? Oh, this one doesn't look as rusty.
Yeah.
Okay, here, let's exchange.
Good luck. Keep spinning it. Keep spinning it until it catches some. You gotta push it in, though.
I know, I'm trying to... Just wait. There.
Yay!
Got it.
You got it. 2 out of 4. 2 for me, 2 for you. Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, the back handle we're
And that's like
struggling with because I got it off, but the car is stuck in lock position, so it's kind of making it difficult for us to take off. But I just got to unhook the wiring, so we'll get it.
You almost done?
Oh, yeah. Got it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Yes. Now I can lift the latch up
Well, don't do that.
and have it not be broken on my car.
Nice.
So,
Can we go now?
yes, we can. We should go. I'm ready.
We're done. We'll show you all the parts that we got when we get home. Are you getting something else?
Maybe.
I swear he can be here all day. The negative of... You okay?
Yep. Got it. Good.
Okay. I was saying the negative of being with someone that likes cars. They can do it all day long. Probably not the best shoes to wear to a junkyard, but guys, I didn't know. Are you still getting parts?
Okay, can you take this?
Or just throw it?
That works.
Let's go?
Almost. I just got like one more thing that I'm...
I thought that was the last thing.
That's what I thought, and then things changed.
What are you trying to get now?
Just a little...
What? Guys, it's like a never-ending thing. What'd you do?
I bumped my head into the glass here.
Oh my goodness, come here.
You see
You're
it?
like, holy moly, you're really bleeding. I told you to be careful.
But it's okay, we're almost done.
You said that like an hour ago. We've been here for 3 hours.
Okay.
Done?
Okay, I guess now we can be done.
Okay, let's go. Guys, we're still here. 4 hours later. He's still taking parts off. He found some type of hose that he really wants, so yeah. Did you get it?
Yep. Got it. Oh, finally. This hose.
Couldn't you just buy it? Did you just smell that?
Yeah. Probably be $100 here. They'll probably charge us 20, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright.
So, is that it?
And just this light.
What light? There's no light.
This bracket, but no, we're not going to take it because we need the headlight too, and they don't have it, so we're good.
That was heavy.
Oh yeah, they're heavy. Too heavy.
You got your workout in. You got your parts. We're just taking a little break.
Right.
We didn't bring a cart.
Not like those guys.
We didn't think we were gonna come for a bunch of parts.
Yeah. You start taking more and more stuff off because you think you need more. We'll see what happens.
So we just got home and we're gonna lay out all the parts to show you guys.
So guys, this is what we got. 4 rotors. Telling you, they are pretty much new. So whoever had the car before, they must have gotten a brake job and then whatever the reason was, got rid of the car. And got an AC hose here because ours is rubbed through. So we got the center console. All the buttons on mine are kind of worn out and they just sprayed a bunch of coffee all over it, so it was in rough shape. So got this one, looks a lot better. Yeah, like the center button, and it's so tough to get it to spin, and yeah, it's just beaten up. Then you got this mirror button, the little toggle missing, so yeah.
It's a little cracked here, but I think we can fix that.
Yeah, we can fix that
chipped.
piece, or swap it out. All these other little trim pieces that are in real good shape compared to what I've got. This is one of those roll-up sunshades that on the driver's side, back door, it's missing. Vent, pretty much brand new compared to the one that I have. So a bunch of buttons, pillars, Volkswagen sign, rear wiper, and then that's an amplifier for the speakers. For some reason, they always have some issues, so I decided to just take this one. So, intake hose right there, or intake inlet right there. So all these things we got, it was a little under 180 bucks. So not bad at all compared to, you know, trying to buy these pieces. Like I said, this toggle switch is like 85 bucks alone. So yeah, we got a deal. Babe, what do you think? Did you have fun?
It was a lot of fun. I just didn't think it was gonna take 4 or 5 hours.
Right.
So I'm kind of tired. But I highly recommend going to the junkyard.
Did you get some anger out, breaking stuff, trying to rip a door panel off?
I did. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for taking me.
So we'll start putting these in within the next few days, and like I said, the CLS right there, waiting on something special coming this week. So this is gonna be fun, babe.
Yeah.
You want to end this video?
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for whatever he got for the CLS. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next